Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. We are Hannah and Jonny, also known as Finding Our Adventure. In 2020 we converted our Ford Transit to live in full time. Since then we've been on an endless adventure with our two cats Tia and Skye, exploring, living and working in our tiny home. Join us each week for a new episode of Finding Our Adventure. Hi guys, so we have been travelling around Mallorca in this very camper van. You may already know that if you've seen our last episode, and if you haven't seen that yet you can click up here, but we are now going to give you a very detailed tour of this camper van. So to start off with, this van is a VW Crafter. It's a medium wheelbase, so kind of similar to our own van, and it has been converted by Two Brothers Camepervans, and they have a rental company here on the island, so you can hire them out, and we'll leave the link below so you can hire one out for yourselves. So we're going to start at the front of the van. Oh my goodness, can they stop beeping? So we're going to start. Sorry, we're going to start. Wait. We're going to start in the front of the van, which is lovely and spacious. You've got 3 seats. I absolutely love the seat covers. It comes with a reversing camera, which is very handy, obviously manoeuvring the van around. Yeah, 3 seats, did I already say that? Also window covers, so you've got, you can put them up with just like these little sticky bits and it keeps it nice and cool from the hot sun. So you access the back from the side door, and it's been painted this lovely yellow colour. And this is the main area that you walk into. So you walk into the kitchen space, which has got an absolutely massive fridge. It's so much bigger than ours. Look at that. Can fit loads of goodies in there. It's got loads of drawers, so you've got cutlery in here, you've got a sink here, 2 drawers beneath it, and the hose here extends so you can wash your feet after being at the beach. So the kitchen also comes with an extendable worktop, which is very handy when you need some space to chop or anything like that and prepare your food, so that's really handy. There is also plenty of cupboard space. We've got a drawer just here. We've also got drawers here which are really deep, and they all come with like latches so that you make sure they're secure before you start driving. So just moving on from the kitchen, we are in the bathroom. So there is a kind of like porta potty Dometic, so you can use that and just really easy to use. Chemical toilet, and there's a shower here which has hot water on demand. So you basically, in here you just turn on the hot water and it's ready within a couple minutes. So we used that this morning and it was a really nice hot shower. So just stepping into the shower now. Look how big it is. Just turn the light on up here. All the lights are like just a quick click of a button. Look, you can literally, look how big it is.
You could get both of us in there.
Yeah, I mean our shower is probably like this size, but you got all the room in the shower. Okay, so I'm going to show you the rest of the storage here in the van. So we finished with the front of the van, and now we've got all this cupboard space. Look at that, that is amazing. Got all your bedding in there, we've got our camera bags. There's another one just under here. It's a big pull-out drawer. Got another bag in there. We've got this one. There is just so much room. You are spoilt with storage. Then there's even more cupboards underneath the bench just here. So this one and that one there, there's more storage, and the whole of this is storage. Okay, so if that's not enough storage for you, there's even more just round the back of the van. So we've got access to the same cupboard in the front, where it's got tables and chairs just in here for easy access. There is another cupboard here with even more storage. There's nothing in there at the moment because there is plenty of storage under here. Look how cool that is. It comes all the way out and you can also access it from the other side. So this is the back of the van, and it's a lovely, comfy kind of living lounge area. You've got a standing table here, which is kind of fixed to 2 posts underneath, and there's loads of room. You can basically like lounge, lie down, and it's just really comfortable. There is a TV in here, which is definitely a luxury in a van, and it's connected to an Amazon Fire Stick, so you can connect it up and watch all of your favourite TV shows. The electricals in the van, it's all solar powered, and there are many USB points, so you can charge your phone or any other electricals here in the van very easily. So because it can get very warm here in Mallorca, it is very vital to stay cool. So there is a fan that has been installed, which is really easy to use. You can just turn it on like that, and it can move the air in and out very easily. And at the front there's a vent, so it can create like a suction and a nice draft in here, so you can keep cool. Now I'm going to show you the bed. So this table basically helps transform into the bed. So we're going to make it now and show you what it looks like. So the first step of converting the lounge area into a bed is taking the table off the legs, which is really easy. You just lift it up like that. Right, so we're going to put the legs away. Right, so now the table slots in this gap. Okay, so now the table is in position. It is now covering the gap, and we just fill it in with filler cushions. This is where you might need a bit of help. Oh, there you go. So this is the bed made up, and you can add obviously all your bedding and make it really nice and cozy. The bed size itself I think is probably about a king size. It feels really spacious. So there are 2 windows at the back of the van. There's one just next to the bed, and there's another one on the back of the van, and they're really easy to open. They basically just have like a little button and you push it out like that, and they have a fly net and a blackout blind. So the van has been decorated with a very nice homely feel. There's some lovely cushions, you've got a lovely big mirror and lots of lovely wood features. There's some really cool patterns on the walls and like hexagonal pieces, so it's just really nicely done. And one of the best things about this van is it's got a swing, which is really cool. And imagine watching the sunset whilst on this swing. So much fun. And it also, you can do it on the back doors as well. So we're done with the inside. Let's show you the outside. So in terms of security with the van, there is a big lock here, which is like a padlock system. So it just slots through here and it just makes the van extra secure. So the water fill up point is just here on the outside of the van, and it connects to the storage tank, which is 100 litres, which is plenty of water storage, and the emptying point is just beneath it there. So that is the end of this van tour. If you enjoyed it, let us know in the comments what your favourite thing about this van is, and stay tuned for our next episode where we'll be carrying on our Mallorcan adventures.